Bringing to your view top news stories from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Kano Emirate Tussle settle with football match. Shehu Sani tells Sanusi Bayero. Liam not my grandchild. Doesn't look like Mohbad. Joseph Aloba insists. Adeleke imposes fresh curfew on Ifon local communities. Portable to drop hit song for Queen Dami. Claims like a big boy snatched her from him with just 50k. Neymar says Mbappe jealous over Messi during PSG spell. Now the news in detail. A former Kaduna senator, Shehu Sani, has urged Muhammadu Sanusi II and Ado Bayero to take their royal battle to the field. Sani has waded into the Kano Emirate Tussle involving the 16th Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi II, and his rival, Aminu Ado Bayero. Shehu Sani proposes a football match to end the Kano Emirate Tussle between Lamido Sanusi and Ado Bayero. The former lawmaker, in a post shared on his Facebook page on Thursday, January 16th, said the eventual winner of the scorer match should automatically take the Kano throne. He spoke after the appeal court judgment which okayed Sanusi's reinstatement as the Emir of Kano. Senator Shehu Sani wrote, His Highness Aminu Bayero and His Highness Sanusi should withdraw their case in court. Both should select football players from Kano for their teams and play a match in the Sani Abacha Stadium. The two contending emirs should be the captain of their team. I can volunteer as a referee since I have some maternal and paternal relations in Bebechi and Bichi Danzabua. Whoever emerges as the winner between Team Amiru FC or Team Sanusi FC automatically becomes the emir. Nagode. NaijaNews understands that Kano Emirate Tussle involving Sanusi II and his rival Ado Bayero has continued to fuel tension in the city of Kano. Sanusi and Bayero have continued to lay hold of the royal throne following conflicting court judgments. In a recent development, Joseph Aloba, the father of Mohbad, has reiterated his doubt about the paternity of his grandson, Liam. Mohbad died on the 12th of September 2023 and was buried the following day, on September 21st. His body was exhumed by police for an autopsy. Aloba has been vocal about his demands for justice, calling for the police to probe Omowumi and for a DNA test to be conducted on Liam. Aloba had previously refused to rebury Mohbad until a DNA test confirmed Liam's biological father. He emphasized the need to confirm Liam's biological connection to him. However, Omowumi accused her father-in-law of avoiding a DNA test. Aloba has reiterated his doubt about Liam's paternity in a recent interview with Silverbird Television. When asked if Liam looked like Mohbad, Aloba vehemently said no. With what I'm seeing, he's not my grandson, he said. He also expressed frustration that Omowumi and her family have not brought Liam to him, despite knowing his house address. Aloba added that he would only accept Liam as his grandson if the DNA test says otherwise. Aloba's concerns comes about the same time when Abosabi, Mohbad's mom, clashed with Fabiyi over the allegations against Adura, Mohbad's brother. Fabiyi claimed that Adura knew the cause of Mohbad's death and requested money to share information supporting his claim. In the meantime, sequel to an outbreak of yet another communal misunderstanding between Ifon and Ilobu communities in Osun State, the state governor, Governor Ademola Adeleke, has ordered that a curfew be imposed in the two warring communities with immediate effect. The Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, Oluomo Kolapo Alimi, made this known today in a press statement made available to newsmen in Osogbo, the state capital. To forestall further escalation of the crisis, the governor has approved that a 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. curfew be imposed. Kolapo Alimi's press statement in relation to the imposition of the curfew reads further. Following the outbreak of another communal clash between the people of Ifon and Ilobu, the Osun state government has taken the following decisions aimed at ensuring lasting peace in the warring communities. That a 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. curfew be imposed with immediate effect, starting from today, Thursday 16th of January 2025, until further notice. From the world of celebrities, Nigerian singer Abibu Kikiola, popularly known as Portable, shared a new video where he sang an unreleased song, addressing his ex-girlfriend and claiming that 50,000 naira was used by some individuals in Lekki to lure her away. This revelation came in a post that quickly gained traction on X, formerly known as Twitter. This comes after weeks of drama between the two, with Portable having previously called her out and insulted her. A now-viral video of Queen Dami fainting as a result of alleged trolling by Nigerians over a reconciliation with Portable. It's worth noting that Zazuze Kuna recently made headlines after reacting to the news of his ex-girlfriend, Queen Dami, fainting and being rushed to the hospital. After she fainted, Portable reportedly unfollowed her and is now preparing to release a song mocking her. As news of the song spread online, concerned individuals flocked to the comment section to voice their opinions about the ongoing drama. And from the world of sport, Brazilian striker Neymar said Thursday that former Paris Saint-Germain teammate Kylian Mbappe became jealous of his relationship with Lionel Messi when the Argentine superstar joined the club in 2021. Speaking on a podcast hosted by former Brazil striker Romario, Neymar blamed a clash of egos for the failure of the three stars to gel during their spell together at the French club. The 32-year-old Neymar, who left PSG for Saudi club Al Hilal in 2023, said he initially got on well with Mbappe when the France international joined him at PSG in 2017. I had my issues with him, we had a fight, but he was a boy who at the beginning, when he arrived, was fundamental, Neymar said of Mbappe. I always told him, I always joked with him, that he was going to be one of the best. I always helped him out. I talked to him, he came to my house, we went out to dinner together. But Neymar said Mbappe's behavior changed when Messi arrived from Barcelona in 2021. Neymar already had a relationship with Messi from their successful stint as teammates at Barcelona between 2013 and 2017. We spent some good years together, but then, when Messi arrived, I think he got a little jealous, Neymar said. For more verified real-time news updates, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.